Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to start unit 4.4, which is dividing fraction. Steps for division of fraction. When we divide the fraction, we have to do these 3 steps, and these are: the first one is keep the first fraction the same. Second is change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And third one is flip the second fraction over to write the reciprocal. Now, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means make the numerator a denominator and denominator a numerator, which means that just flip the fraction and make the numerator a denominator and denominator a numerator to write the reciprocal of the fraction. Now let's look at the example of the 3 steps. The 3 steps are: we have to divide 3 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 7, and the 3 steps are: the first one is keep the first fraction same, so we write the first fraction 3 upon 4 as it is. Step number 2 is change the division sign into the multiplication sign, so we change the division sign into the multiplication sign. And third step is flip the second fraction to write the reciprocal, so we flip the second fraction. The second fraction is 2 upon 7, and when we flip it to write it reciprocal, it will be 7 upon 2. Now do the same which we have done in the multiplication. Multiply the numerators and the denominators together. 3 7s are 21, 4 2s are 8. This is the example of the steps of the steps for dividing fraction. Now let's work task 1. Question number 1 is divide the given fraction by whole numbers and give the answer in the simplest form. It's your book question. 3 upon 4 divided by 5. 3 upon 4 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. We have to divide the fraction by whole number. For this, we write the solution, and in the very first step, we write the question as it is. In second step, we write 3 upon 4 divided by, we change whole number into the fraction by write it with denominator 1. So 5 upon 1, we write whole number with denominator 1 to change it into the fraction. Now we have 3 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 1. Now do the steps. The step 1 is write the first fraction as it is. We write the first fraction 3 upon 4 as it is. Step number 2 is change the division sign into the multiplication sign. And step number 3 is flip the second fraction to write the reciprocal. So we flip the second fraction. The second fraction is 5 upon 1, and when we write it reciprocal, it will be 1 upon 5. Now do the same. 3 multiplied by 1 and upon 4 multiplied by 5. 3 1s are 3 and 4 5s are 20. This is the answer. Now part J, 5 upon 6 divided by 2 whole number. Solution, write the question as it is. In step 2, we write the whole number with denominator 1. So 5 upon 6 divided by 2 upon 1. Now do the steps. Keep the first fraction as it is. Change the division sign into the multiplication sign, and then flip the second fraction to write the reciprocal. So 5 upon 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2. This 2 upon 1, when we flip 2 upon 1, it will change into 1 upon 2. Now multiply the numerators and denominators. 5 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 2. So 5 ones are 5 and 6 twos are 12. And this is the answer. Now let's work task 1, part question 2. In this question, this is question number 2. In this question, write down the reciprocals of the following. We have to write the reciprocal of these fractions. Number 1 is 1 upon 4. Solution, write the question as it is and then write it reciprocal. In reciprocal, I have told you that the numerator change into the denominator and denominator change into the numerator. We just change the place of the numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So 1 upon 4 change into 4 upon 1. Part I is 32 divided by 23 upon 23. And when we write it reciprocal, it will change into 23 upon 32.